We recommend Vaultek Wi-Fi safes to always be plugged in for the best performance. However, if a power source is not easily accessible, the safe can still operate for several months using the included rechargeable battery in low power mode. When your safe is unplugged and running on battery power, the safe will automatically enable low power mode. This allows the safe to sleep and manage power more efficiently to preserve battery life. In low power mode, the safe will sleep when no activity is detected for a few seconds. The safe wakes up immediately if there is a low battery, door opened, proximity sensor turned on, keypad or fingerprint scanner touched, or if an impact is detected. When sleeping, the app and online dashboard will display if the safe is using low power mode and list the safe status as sleep. During this status, any setting adjustments from the app or online dashboard will not take effect until the next time the safe is awake. The last seen time and date shown represent the battery and environmental information for when the safe was last awake. This information will update each time the safe wakes up. To receive alerts when the safe is in low power mode, an event must wake the safe. This allows the safe to send alerts for critical safe activity. Due to the safe sleeping, low power mode cannot alert you if the safe is offline due to any network issues. When plugging the safe back in, low power mode disables automatically. You can run on battery power and disable low power mode if preferred. Press and hold the 4 key and program button together until the LCD screen confirms it's disabled. With low power mode disabled, the safe is constantly online and uses significant battery power. Closely monitor your battery and recharge when alerted.